I'm just trying to upload the last video that I recorded like maybe a month ago. I just never uploaded it. I just been having issues uploading, and I've really been trying to get a new video out for so long. So, you know, if you're here and you're watching this video, that means I already uploaded my last video, so you should definitely check that out. I created a body lava. It's like a TikTok hack. People was creating it out of baby oil. Yeah, baby oil, and yeah, check it out. I was kind of fooling around. I made a lot of mistakes, but it turned out great. So you should definitely check that video out. I highly recommend it. But hi, welcome to my channel. It's great to have you here. If you're new, hi, how are you? If you're not new, I appreciate you for being here. Right? So if you are new though, you should definitely subscribe. You should definitely check out my other videos. I normally do makeup videos. I do whatever my heart desires. But anyways, I'm trying to upload this video so we can get started. But I wanted to start my intro. So today we're going to be doing a skincare, well, updated skincare video. I did a skincare video maybe almost a year ago. So wow, I've been on YouTube for almost a year now. In December, it'll be a year in December, and it's about to be October. Wow. This video might not go up to October, but this will be special. I'm at almost at 300 subscribers, which is a blessing. Thank you so much. Today we're not going to be doing a makeup video. I know I keep saying I'm going to do a makeup video, but I don't do it. But I actually wanted to do this updated skincare because my skincare is completely different from last year. I'm not going to be doing every single thing in my routine because it changes. Like that didn't change from last year. If you want to watch last year's skincare routine, I still use maybe half the products in there, but I found new stuff to check out, and I found better stuff than what I actually used last year. Let me get started. A lot of this stuff you can find on Amazon too. So, you know, I will give you the link for everything off Amazon, I promise. Well, you know, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna get started. I don't want this video to be too long because I run into problems like unable to upload. So I try to keep the long videos for makeup. So we're gonna get started now. I'm back, so I think I found a solution. I'm gonna have to go through Dropbox, at least for my last video. So I'm gonna secure that first. So I'm not really wearing that much makeup today. I don't even wear like a bronzer. Yes, I would make a tutorial. It's gonna tie it like that. My hair's back. Should I tie it? No, we don't have time. Oh, we're gonna get my new favorite makeup remover. I swear this is one of the best makeup removers I've ever used. Like, I don't have to use anything else. Like with the Pond's cream that I used to use last year, I would still have to wash my face after, but with this, I don't have to wash my face, and I love that because if I'm not home, you know, or like I'm in a rush, I'm tired, I'm gonna go to bed, all I gotta do is wipe my face with it and it comes right off. Just take my lashes off. When they want to come off, my lash extensions finally came off. They took so long, but they did. I personally hate wearing lash extensions. I might do it again one day, but I kind of hate it. Alright, so here are my pads. And here is the new holy grail for me. TikTok actually put me onto this. You know, I'm usually not the one to try something that the internet told me to try, but I wanted to try something that would moisturize my face more, and this actually says it does. So this is the Vanity Skin Active Water Rose Micellar. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's micellar cleansing water. It's also rose water mixed into it. So it's all-in-one hydrate. It's a makeup remover and a face cleaner. But it also hydrates your face, and it's no rinse, so you don't have to rinse your face. And that's what I love about this. So, I swear, it really, we're gonna see. So I basically saturate the pad, like I said, in the direction, and just boom, it's off just like that. Your makeup will be off in 2 minutes. I just a little too much on the pad. The stuff comes off. And I wear waterproof makeup. Like, put that in perspective. I wear waterproof makeup. I don't wear regular because my eyes tend to tear a lot. So I like to just stick to waterproof face makeup. And the fact that this comes off that quickly with waterproof, that says a lot. I put a way too much on because it's starting to get in my eyes and stuff. Yeah, be careful with this. Don't use too much. Like, you can see a little goes a long way. I like to do 2 pads. Because by the time I do the first pad, it's dirty. So, second pad, make sure my face is clean. Yeah, see? After the first, it's barely dirty. Alright. Now, this right here is my new best friend. So, this is a face steamer. This opens up my pores and makes my skin shine like a lot. And I'm supposed to fill up this, and basically all the steam comes out of here. It takes about 10 minutes for it to be done. So I mean, of course, I'm not gonna record my whole steaming, but I'm gonna show you how it works. At least I'm using a little bit of. I like to use tap water, like a little bit of bottled water. And away. So now, put it back in. And now it's ready to go. All I do is plug it in and wait for it to get steamy. And so, we're back. So I just realized I got a little bit of gold stuck in my eyes, but it's fine. So the steamer's almost ready. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's starting to steam. That'll wait in me at least maybe, what, 5 minutes for it to start? Not even. It doesn't take long at all. So all I do is steam my face. I should put my hair in a ponytail real fast. Yeah. Alright, she's in a ponytail and let the steam begin. So it just feels like you're in a hot shower. And if you don't want to buy a steamer, or just sit in a hot shower, probably get the same exact effect. So like I said, I will put the links for all the stuff I'm using today in the description box. This is great for self-care days. I literally do this when I feel like taking care of my skin or my face, you know, or if I notice I have like a pimple or something. So this is also good for skin prepping. Like by the time I'm done, my skin is like glistening, just like it looks amazing. I don't know if it will show that way on camera, but usually like I get compliments on my skin the next day when I do something like this the night before. But I've talked enough. I'm going to see y'all when I'm done steaming because y'all have an idea of what I do already. So I will be back. I definitely recommend if you have blackheads in your nose and you kind of need with it, get one of these. I promise you. So you just turn it on. I bring it to the highest speed. It has some reflection on it, so don't be afraid to show you how good this works. So that's literally everything. It's got my nose. I'm not gonna let y'all look at it for too long, but that's how good it is. My nose is really smooth now. You don't feel any blackheads. So that's why I really love it. So we're almost done. Almost done. So I still use this. This was in my last video for my skincare routine a year ago. I still live by this. I love to moisture my face with it. I just like to do it like that. Alright, my face is moisturized. And now the last step. We're almost done, guys. Step is my rose quartz roller. I love using this. Someone even noticed if you realize that my the dark circles under my eyes were gone. So we're gonna get into that in a minute. So I love this roller. This one vibrates. I got this at Walgreens. So you should be able to find it at your local drugstore. So basically, I have to treat this like a paint roller. And have to, this is the direction that the instruction manual told me to do. So I'm gonna follow the instruction manual. But it's supposed to prevent wrinkles and fine lines on the stomach, but definitely wrinkles. So I'm going to look 30 when I'm 50. I can already see that happening, honestly, but this will definitely help with that. Yeah, I'm going to bed after this. Let's see. That's my face glistens. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the other piece. So this roller came with a under eye stone too. Right here. So this goes under my eyes. Any bags in my eyes. And that's one thing I always struggled with, was having bags in my eyes, but this really helped them, be not that noticeable. So I'm definitely gonna recommend y'all to do this. I got this at Walgreens, but I'm pretty sure any rose quartz stone would be good to put under your eyes or to roll over your eyes. It's definitely meant to make you look younger, but keep your youthful looks. Definitely. So now you don't rub, just press. Where your under eyes are going, all the bags. And I'm done. See, look how, you see the reflection on my face. Yeah, this is why this is my new routine. I've changed a lot about my old routine to my new one, but I like this one so much better, so I cannot wait to see next year how much different my routine is going to be. Like, going back, it's like, wow, I used to use this, or I found something better than this, or, you know, or something came out about the product, because things are starting to come out about these companies I don't like. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely do make a video regularly, so, don't worry. So if you was waiting for me to do a makeup video, I'm definitely gonna upload a makeup video next, I promise. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate every single one, every single comment, like, subscribe, any type of interaction. I appreciate it. You watching this video. I appreciate all of it. Also, oh my god, I almost forgot. Hold on. Wait right there. Make sure y'all go on my Etsy shop. So I just opened an Etsy shop. I'm going to be designing things with crystals. I'm going to be selling phone cases for one. I can make these to order. So the minute you order one, I'm going to make it and send it I make other things, which I'm going to be showing while I'm uploading. But this is what I wanted to show you guys first with my phone case. And I also designed slides. I have my Adidas ones, but they're downstairs, so I'll just upload a picture of them right here. But yeah, check out my Etsy shop. I make really cute stuff, especially made for you. Whatever phone you have doesn't matter, you know. And if you want a certain slide, you know, reach out. I will definitely